What happens?
We ended up at this scene through our investigative procedure. We had leads from people, informers, who I can't close at this moment, but they led us to this place, and we had those three bodies. So we are yet now to determine whether they belong to that woman and the two kids.